Hello guys, I am Chandrasekhar and again welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see something called the Iris dataset. It is inbuilt dataset in Python and we do the analysis of this dataset. First of all, I will import Seaborn as SNS because Iris dataset is loaded in Seaborn package. For that, import Seaborn as SNS. Then I will call iris is equal to sns.load dataset of iris, and this should be written in inverted comma. After that, I will call iris head, means I want to know some points of the data set. And now I can see there is sepal length, sepal width, petal width, and species. Now you can guess that this data is belonging to flowers data. After that, if you want to know some statistics about this data set, then you can call iris.describe. As you can see here in output, there is a sepal length, sepal width, petal width. And because of these are sepal length and sepal width, petal length and petal width are numerical value. These are described here in the statistics parts as you can see here. And if you see, there is a species in head, iris head, but it vanishes in describe because it is not numerical value. So you can see here in the first row count is there, means we have total 150 data points in this data set. Here is the count, and we don't have any blank value in any of these four columns. This means that. Then mean, we can see here mean of sepal length is 5.84, mean of sepal width is 3.05, and same as here for petal length and petal width. And then after here in third row we can see that this is STD, that means standard deviation. We can see sepal length, the standard deviation of sepal length is 0.828066, and the same here for sepal width, petal length and petal width also. Then the minimum of sepal length, we can see here 4.3 is the minimum value of sepal length, and in the last row you can see here maximum, that is sepal length is maximum at 7.9, and you can see here in the middle 25%, 50% and 70%. What this value means, 25 percentile, this 25% is locating 25th percentile, and 50th percentile and 75th percentile, means this is first quartile, this is second quartile, also called as median, and this is third quartile. Then this is maximum value, you can see here. After that, we will plot histogram of a sepal length. To see the distribution of sepal length, we can draw histogram of sepal length. As here you can see, I will call iris in bracket sepal length in quotation, and then dot plot dot hist. You can see here this is the histogram of sepal length. After that, we can plot histogram for petal length also to see the distribution of petal length. As you can see here, we will see the output. Here you can see this is the histogram for petal length. And after that, we have to find the relationship between sepal length and petal width. Then we can call iris plot scatter as x value taking sepal length and y value taking petal length, and C stands for color, and in quotation I can write R. R means red, and size is 100. If you see the results, then you can see here size is some big, as I given S size 100, and in the x-axis there is a sepal length. As you can see here, x-axis showing sepal length, and here y-axis showing petal length. These are values, and it this scatter plot shows some relationship between sepal length and petal length. And draw scatter plot between any four. After that, we will plot subplots. For that, iris dot plot in brackets subplots true. We'll see the output. As you can see here, each column is now here plotted. That is sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. As you can see here, petal width is in between 0 to 2, and the petal length is in between 2.5 to 5, and sepal width is also into 2 to 4, and sepal length is also between 5 to 8, as you can see here. Then, as they are separated plots, because we called for subplots, after that we will see iris plot title iris dataset. Means in one graph I want to show the four uh, descriptions like sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. For that I will import matplotlib pyplot as plt. Then I will call variable x or name x to draw iris plot and title of iris dataset. Then plot show. As in output there is a graph of four characters, that is sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, as you can see here. Thank you.